Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how is this Aristocrat small cabin suitcase, which is of 55 centimeters with the four wheels. To be precise, the model is Aristocrat Apache four wheels trolley. Okay, there is a STR ASR TD also, and the cost it is mentioned as 2700 offline, and we'll check the online prices too along with this offline prices and see. Yeah, this is very handy, and the best thing I like about this trolley suitcase is the lightweight. This is of the cloth type, the material is of the cloth type, not the uh, soft plastic or hard plastic. The main reason the beside is the propylene, I can say, the material, and this is the cloth one, best for the journeys, for train journeys or somewhere, because this doesn't attract any scratches. And this is the lock system, 3-dial lock system, and there are a lot of cabins. Yeah, see here, 1 2 3 4, lot of cabins for the zip. And yeah, this is the handle where you can make the trolley. Yeah, extendable handle, and this is one soft handle. Yeah, and coming to the online availability, I checked, it is available online too. And this is the overall the front look, as this is small 55 centimeters, good for a person. Yeah, see, 5 years international warranty is there. Let us check the online prices also, but here I found out some blue color. The prices are exactly similar what I have shown you on the offline and online also. The same prices, small cabin Apache 4-wheel trolley of 55 centimeters. And there are additional information where you can see here in the online, a generous interior capacity, means there is one cabin where you can keep your files or the important documents or something like that inside there, which is a waterproof. See here, that waterproof, you can see. Yeah, and this is for the clothes and everything, the other luggage it is mentioned here. And I checked the online ratings also, which are 4.4 out of 5, which is good. See here, 4 wheels, and the wheels are of 360 degrees. Okay, this wheel rotation is 360 degrees. I checked in the offline store the wheels, and the safety corner guards, yes, this is the hard plastic. Unlock lasting assurance, yes, there is a lock, I have already shown you. Yeah, this is how it looks. And these are the colors what I have just shown you in the offline store. The same exact colors also available. Yeah, you can check, I'll be dropping them in the view products. If you want, you can check also. Okay, coming back to the video, and the prices are exactly similar. And the other just beside that, I have shown you the same brand, Aristocrat, and this is of the soft plastic sort of suitcase trolley. The exact material is polypropylene, I guess. Yeah, I'm not sure, but yeah, if I can see, this is a hard one. Okay, even the handle also, this is non-rustic, means it won't attract rust free, you can say. Okay, and very handy. And this also is very lightweight, and this is of the 55 centimeters, and you can see the 360 wheel rotation. And in the last video I have uploaded on this one, the other brand, so I'll be dropping that suitcase liquid trolley bag suitcase video, unboxing video. I'll be dropping that in the description. If you want to check, you can check that, and please do comment your opinion. And this build quality and everything are really looking good. Yeah.